I'm going to teach you a trick to have a better wharapo, and you're gonna grab a broom or a mop or a stick. I just don't use this anymore, so this is what I found for me. But you're literally gonna put it behind your neck like this and extend your arms as much as you comfortably can. It's not going to be very comfortable, but it's going to train your back to be very, very straight, very, very still. And this is gonna give you a cleaner wharapo. So then you can just begin practicing from here, right? And this will be keeping your back very straight and to train you to feel that. Now, it's very important that as you're doing this, you're activating your core muscles and not just hanging from the stick, okay? Like, don't rely on the stick just to hang on it like this. What you wanna do is to, like, not overarch, but keep your body active, because the idea is that you train yourself so that when you are not using the broom, the stick, you still keep your back straight.